is, what day is it? It is Thursday, April 12th, almost 7:30, and I saw something funny. I'll show you. Just take a minute outside. It's kind of cool out here. I've left the fake eggs and a couple of other eggs in the shed here on the bench to see if anyone wants to set. I think the turkey eggs I got are all dead. I candled them last night in the incubator, but I don't think any of them are alive, unfortunately. And now it looks like these guys are both wanting to sit in the same nest. That looks pretty silly. One of them stayed in here all night, but then spent the day off the egg, so nobody's really set on setting yet. Very quiet out here with no ducks. I'll turn the light off on the babies. The leghorn chickens, even though they could go back in the house at night, they're not. They're sleeping up on the perch with the turkeys, except I don't know if either of the female turkeys slept up there last night. Blue is over there on the gate, whatever you call it, top of the gate. And the three leghorns are here. And in here we have Popcorn and her babies. I turned the heat on in there today because it was just too cold today. We had snow last night and it was just very wet and cold today. So that is these guys. I'm going to turn their light off and close things up. So we'll leave it there. Good night, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.